Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey folks, today we're going to be changing the taillight assembly on this 2012 Equinox. If you need any headlight assemblies, taillight assemblies, or any other parts for your car, please check out 1aauto.com. So we're going to start by opening the tailgate on the vehicle. You'll see you have two plastic caps covering the mounting bolts for this taillight assembly. I'm just going to pop them open with a flat edge screwdriver. Set them aside. These are a 10mm socket. Now we're going to grab it and give it a firm pull. So sometimes if it's stuck in there pretty good, you can get these trim tools. 1A Auto sells them online, and you're going to pop it out. Try not to scratch the vehicle. We're going to disconnect first the assembly, the harness. Pushing down on this tab and pulling. To reassemble the taillight assembly, take the plug from the car, match it up, and you'll hear a click. Line up the guide pins, top and bottom, and then firmly push. You're going to have to make sure it's lined up. You might even actually have to hold it down a little. Start it with your finger. I like to leave them a little loose till they're both bottomed out. Then I'll give it the final turn. Reassemble the covers. Put the tab in at 12 o'clock. Push down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.